am Tiger Akashi. This adventure takes place in Digi Quartz. It's a surprising pocket dimension between our world and the digital world. Digital monsters have been responding to the negative emotions in the hearts of bad guys in our world and causing havoc. Me and my friends and Team Fusion Fighters are here to stop them. Giddy up! The Digimon hunt begins now!
Yes, stand up, boys. Come on, face the brand new day. The calling that you hear, it tells you where to go. Step towards tomorrow. Yeah, stand up, girls. At the end of what's more than real, we'll grab a light that's been covered over by thick clouds overhead. How we spent our days before isn't good enough. Going at full speed we can blast our way through even the highest wall. Stand up for your dreams, always fill your heart with pride. No matter what it's for, put your way through the crowd until you reach that open door. No matter how far away it may be, the answer that you're searching for. Stand up for your dreams, even if my feelings are making me seem like I'm weak. Your voice can be heard close by, it resounds in my heart. Give me the courage and strength to go on. I promise I'll go. I'll make it all the way to the end.